Anybody remember that movie Shaggy DA? Where he turned that lawyer or something to a dog? Alright. I was actually trying to show y'all that when I cut extension hair, I normally use just texture scissors because I don't want a whole lot off. If you're going to do this at home, I suggest you do the same thing. Start here, work up to there, make an angle. You see how I'm doing that? Nip, 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 nip. And you got to have scissors that actually will release. Talk to Pat Wedge about getting scissors that have a opening that you can pull the hair through. Because a lot of the time, a lot of stylists will use scissors that are not built for that. And it just feels like they're ripping your hair out. Rah! Rah! That'll never go back. So talk to Pat Wedge, Pat's Edge, or whatever. He's on my friends list. You can find him easily. Beefy guy. I'm not going to tell you what we call him in the shop. But make sure you have scissors that will have a big enough hole in them to pull through. So, finish this piece real quick for y'all. So, I'll grab a little bit of the other one. See how that's shorter, but it's not completely gone. And it gives you that whole little point thing. So you start short, start long, and work your way to short. That way, you have something to work with, just in case you fudge it up. So one more time. Skinny, 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 skinny. So now, you gotta go that way. Now later on, when you get done, you can do your point in pieces, like, oh, I'm even. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm lying. Stop playing. Another thing you can do with them, too. See at the point? Put this here. That makes it skinny out more. But if you're trying to grow some bangs out like I am, I have a whole different section, so a lot of that I'm just going to freehand over the top because you still see that line. That's all I'm going to do. Now, don't hold it down like this. For a little bit more volume, go straight out. Just so you're slightly cross-eyed when you look at it. So, see that through there? Rando. Now, I usually don't use combs when I do this because I want it to be as natural as possible. Pull. Snip, push, snip, push. It's like teasing the hair at the same time. Oh, what was that movie with Betty Davis? Where she played her own twin, Dead Ringer. Watch how she cuts her hair. It actually works. I don't know if she actually cut her hair for the role. You know she's crazy enough to do that. So, now, you are footloose and fancy free. Like that? I like it because I can see. Stay tuned.